Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your instructor Shiza and you are on the planet of psychology. So I'm going to discuss different misconceptions and myths about psychology and psychologists today. So let's get started. Common misconceptions and myths about psychology or psychologists. I have enlisted 10 misconceptions which I'm going to look at one by one. Psychology is easy. Anybody who has studied psychology can read people's mind or personality. Psychology is just common sense. Psychologists can predict fate or destiny. All you need is a bachelor's degree. Psychologists are doctors. Psychologists get paid to listen. Psychologists give medicine. Psychology isn't a real science. Psychology will help you find eternal peace. So, myth number one, psychology is easy. The first misconception about psychology is that it is easy when it's not. People think that it's an easy subject because they are very much familiar with human behavior. So that will be naturally be expert on the subject. For example, many students get flunked in English course despite being native speakers. Psychology course can be equally tough, particularly for those who have less knowledge about psychology. So all you need is hard work if you want to success in psychology course. Myth number two, anybody who has studied psychology can read people's mind or personality. People think that psychologists are like magicians who can tell or read people's feelings, emotions, thoughts, and personality, whereas it's not the case. Psychologists are professionals and their area of interest is basically the study of human behavior and mental processes. This requires strong observation as well as good prediction and proper training. Myth number three, psychology is just common sense. After hearing about this recent psychological research, people think that this is so common sense. They tend to have a course reaction and think that why people waste so much time on experiments. If you look at the major experiments in psychology history, you would realize that some common sense points are refused or refuted in them. For example, would you deliver potentially fatal electrical shocks to a stranger just because an authority figure told you to? Common sense might have you empathically saying no, but psychologist Stanley Milgram famously demonstrated in an obedience experiment that the majority of people would do exactly such thing. By using scientific methods, experiments can investigate human issues objectively and fairly. Myth number 4. Psychologists can predict fate or destiny. Often people think that psychologists can predict fate or destiny. This is not actually the case. They can predict the direction that one may adopt in future. They can assess and predict personality and behavior because they get professional training for studying human behavior. They use different tools to assess human personality and their IQ levels. They can easily assess people's potentials and how much one is capable of performing certain tasks. Myth number 5. All you need is a bachelor's degree. In order to become a practicing therapist, you will need at least a master's degree in a field such as psychology, counseling, social work, or advanced psychiatric nursing. You cannot open your own private therapy practice with just a bachelor's degree. Myth number 6. Psychologists are doctors. Another major misconception about psychologists is that they are doctors, but they are specially trained people who treat psychological problems. On the other hand, psychiatrists are doctors who have a professional degree in medicine and treat medical issues. Myth number 7. Psychologists get paid to listen. It's totally unfair to say that psychologists get paid to listen only. In reality, the case is totally different. They do not only doodle on Notepad but also provide variety of other services as well. For example, in schools, government services, universities, other mental health centers, research centers, business organizations, their salaries also differs according to their work levels. Myth number 8, psychologists give medicines. Not psychologists, but psychiatrists are the ones who prescribe medicines to mentally ill people, as they have a medical degree which authorizes them to prescribe medication. Myth number 9, psychology isn't a real science. Psychologists use empirical methods, manipulate and control variables. Psychological researches can be replicated, or their results can be replicated, and also allows hypothesis testing. So these all are characteristics of science. So this is a major misconception that psychology isn't a real science. Myth number 10, people or psychology will help you find eternal peace. Psychology is only concerned with human behavior. It is completely up to you whether or not you can take the path to happiness. It's not psychology that makes you happy. Surrounding yourself with people with whom you have high quality relationships, according to a 75-year-old Harvard report does. It's not psychology, it's the people you are surrounded with will make you happy, will find you eternal peace. Thanks for learning with me. If you like my video, please like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye bye.